Want to record your iPhone screen to show an app or feature? In this video, we'll show you how quickly and easily on any iPhone. Make sure you have enough storage before starting, as recordings can take up space. Method 1. Record screen in iPhone using Control Center. Step 1. Add screen recording to Control Center. Step 2. Tap to record. Long press for audio. Stop via red bar or Control Center. Step 3. Saved in Photos, edit or share. Use focus to avoid interruptions. Method 2. Record screen on iPhone using Mac. First, connect your iPhone or iPad to your Mac with the USB cable. Open QuickTime Player. The fastest way is by searching for it using Spotlight. At the top of your screen, click File, Movie Recording. Next to the record button, click the small arrow and select your iPhone or iPad under Camera. For microphone, choose Built-in Microphone. And under Quality, pick High if you want better video resolution. Once your iPhone screen appears on your Mac, click the record button to start capturing. When you're done, press the red record button again and save the video wherever you like. Method 3. Record video on iPhone screen using Windows PC. Install Loneliscreen on your PC and connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi. On iPhone, open Control Center screen mirroring. Select Loneliscreen. Mirror your screen, record via Loneliscreen or a PC recorder, then save the video. Bonus tip: backup iPhone screen videos on computer full of screen recordings. Back them up to your PC or Mac to save space and keep them safe. Mobikin Assistant for iOS lets you preview, manage, and transfer videos without iTunes. How to back up iPhone screen recordings with Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Connect your iPhone. Install and open Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your computer. Plug in your iPhone using a USB cable and tap Trust when the message pops up. Step 2. Locate screen recordings. After your iPhone is detected, you'll see all the file categories. Click Videos or Camera Roll to view your screen recordings. Step 3. Export iPhone screen recordings to computer. Select the recordings you want to back up. Hit Export, and choose where to save them on your computer. The transfer will complete in moments. No iTunes, no hassle.